24 Bazar, your go-to affiliate product website for all your shopping needs. At 24-bazar.com, we are passionate about helping our users find the products they need from a variety of trusted brands. TODN USB DAC cable, Type-C to Type-B, HiFi stereo, 6N OFC data audio digital cable. Detail: upgrade your audio experience with the TODN USB DAC cable. This Type-C to Type-B cable delivers HiFi stereo sound with its 6N OFC data audio digital cable. Enhance your music listening with high-quality audio transmission. ORICO cable 2M, Thunderbolt 4 compatible, 8K at 60 Hz video, USB-C, PD100W fast charge. Detail: experience fast and reliable data transfer with the ORICO cable 2M. This Thunderbolt 4 compatible cable supports 8K video at 60 Hz and USB-C, PD100W fast charging. Upgrade your connectivity for seamless performance. USAMS 66W, 3-in-1 digital display cable, iPhone 14/13/12, iPad, MacBook, quick charging and data transfer. Detail: enhance your charging and data transfer experience with the USAMS 66W, 3-in-1 digital display cable. Compatible with iPhone 14/13/12, iPad, and MacBook, it offers quick charging and seamless data transfer. Stay connected and powered up with this versatile cable. ORICO Cat6A Cat6 Cat5e pass-through RJ45 modular plug, UTP 30 μ gold-plated Ethernet cable. Detail: upgrade your Ethernet cable connections with ORICO Cat6A/Cat6/Cat5e pass-through RJ45 modular plugs. These UTP plugs feature 30 μ gold-plated contacts for enhanced performance and durability. Achieve reliable and high-speed data transmission with these top-quality modular plugs. USB-C to SATA 3 cable, SATA to USB 3.0 adapter, up to 6 gigabits per second, 2.5-inch SSD HDD support. Detail: effortlessly connect your 2.5-inch SSD or HDD with our USB-C to SATA 3 cable. This SATA to USB 3.0 adapter offers transfer speeds up to 6 gigabits per second, allowing for fast and reliable data transmission. Upgrade your storage experience today. Please subscribe 24 Bazar channel. Like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.